What's the meaning of babyhood? Babyhood. Babyhood.
Babyhood. Babyhood. Babyhood refers to the period of time during which a child is a baby, typically from birth up until they are about 2 years old. It is a developmental stage marked by rapid physical, cognitive and emotional growth as the child learns to interact with the world around them. During babyhood, infants develop their senses and motor skills, learn to communicate through crying and babbling, and form attachments with their caregivers. This stage lays the foundation for the child's future development and can have a profound impact on their lifelong health and well-being.